So guys, so far this hair is decent. Yeah, actually it's actually good. I'm not gonna flex. I just thought about, the price I paid for it and the reason why. This is just something quick. My birthday is next week, so on a budget for sure. But look how this hair looks. I'm not gonna flex. This is some soft hair. Look. It does tangle, but it is very easy to be untangled. It is very easily untangled, so I'm combing through it. Then you don't want to continue to comb it also, because then I do believe that also causes a lot of tangling. But I just want y'all to see the hair. Like, this is out flat ironed, without being flat ironed. It's so sleek how I like it. But I don't know if my leave out is gonna work for this hair. This is my leave out. I mean, I got this much left. I'm not, yeah, I would say I'm halfway done with the head. Took me maybe 15 minutes to, maybe 10 to 15 minutes to get halfway to this. So that's why I always say it only takes me 30 to 45 minutes, under an hour. I can do quick weaves under an hour. But, yeah, guys. Well, I'm sorry. Actually, so far so good. So I just want to show you guys the progress that's been made with the hair. Step back here, I can see. This is 24 inches, and it reaches a little bit over my butt crack. So like to here, I'm like 5'5", 5'5", 5'5.5". So yeah, I'm gonna just finish this. I just want you guys to see what I'm doing. Actually, I'm gonna record the rest, some of the rest, and then before I get to actually style the leave out, I'll come back and show you guys. Or I might just, I'm just rambling. Just watch the video. It may be more than what I'm saying it is. So here we go. So this is one pack and a track from the other pack. So the hair is pretty thick for it to be 24 inches of synthetic blend or whatever, master blend hair. It is very thick. The wefts are really, really nice, guys. Look. Let's see if I can flip it, like show you guys. They're pretty thick. The wefts are pretty thick. So yeah, they're really nice. Excuse the little stragglies, but yeah, I'm about to finish my hair. So, and what I did before, I just added some more of this black castor oil formula. I think it's SalonPro, but this part of the stickers, yeah, it's SalonPro Jamaican black castor oil formula with jojoba oil, hair and scalp nourishment. Yeah, I probably pronounced that wrong, but hey. So what I do is, I can't find my scissors right now, so I measure it like this to go around. And I go just basically from side all the way around to side. Stop right there. Sometimes I cut it a little up because I'm using one of my kitchen knives that I'm not going to be using it again. I'll probably keep around for like moments like this and I can't find my scissors. So this is the weft that's going to go around my head. I'm using the SalonPro 30-second super hair bond glue, professional speed. I use both kinds. This one, and I don't know if the other one is the SalonPro, but it was the one that came out before this one. So what I'm doing now, guys, is basically putting glue on the track. Nothing like that. I'm just going from, again, corner to corner. I'm looking in the mirror behind all of this so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm not sweating yet, guys. That's the oil, but it is hot in here. I don't have my AC on because I don't like to just run my AC because I have 2 AC units. One in my kids' room and one in my living room. And the one in my kids' room connect to in my room. And my daughter, as y'all know, is 3 and my son is 1. They definitely don't sleep in the room. They more so just play in there. So they're not here right now. And I'm just in my bathroom. So no point in having it on, but I think I'm gonna turn it on and go get my fan because I'm hot, guys. And again, just gonna do the same thing around. Up really until I get to the top. Really, till I get to this part, like around here is when I'll start cutting them and start doing it like that. So I do believe I'll have enough hair. I do believe so. You guys see, before I go, I kind of went a little bit over because I kind of want to stay like at least there's the part, and then there's, I kind of want to stay like at least behind this because this imaginary line is where I'm going to lay the other tracks. Yeah, I'm sweating. That might be the last one for this side. And then I don't know if I'm put one right there where that open skin is, where my part is. I don't know why I kept saying open skin. But where my part is, I don't know if I'm gonna put one right there. Wipe some of that glue off, don't want too much glue. I might, you know what? I am gonna put another one right there. I know we ain't gonna make it to my bed. No. I know. So I'm just kind of like, this side of my I know we ain't gonna make it to my bed. I think I did 3 on this side. Yes, I did 3. Y'all, it's too much. It ain't even cold yet. I'm in Arizona, y'all. Y'all know it ain't cold out here. Shit, it's still barely wet. Fall. Winter ain't hit yet. Shit, damn if I know if it did. But, see, like every y'all, I mean, this hair does get tangled up, which is any synthetic hair. Shit, hair in general gets tangled, not just as much as synthetic hair does. And it's not as hard to comb out sometimes as synthetic hair, but shit, I'm black. That ain't really got nothing to do with it. Being black ain't got nothing to do with it, but because I'm black, I go through it, so I know. Alright, guys, this is somewhat of the finished product. Like, it's perfect up here. It get real thick towards the end of this. Maybe if I flatter it, I don't know. But this is how it looks. I love how this looks. Let me close this so I don't get glare. Now I'm about to just part my leave out. Hopefully, it's like I'm not dyeing my hair. Definitely not about to do that. Actually, I think I saw a comb in here. Well, I can't find it, but guys, I think it might be too much hair. Like too thick. My hair might be too thick. Well, we're about to see. Maybe I did leave out too much hair. We about to see shit. Nah, it look good so far. Don't let my hair fool y'all. This shit is natural as hell. But I think honestly not having weaves and flat ironing my hair actually helped my hair due to the fact of it, you know, just, I don't know. The oil shit might have helped too, but as y'all can see, my hair is actually brown. So, I don't know how that's gonna work. Shit, we gonna make it work. And because, guys, I put my hair and my tracks so close together, let me go ahead and flat iron this shit together. See how that's, oh, okay, baby. I'm sorry, y'all. This hair is starting to shock me more and more. Y'all can see my actual hair. Shit. Oh well. I manipulate a little bit more, but it's good for now. Shit. It is. And now I'm just like a flat iron this hair. And this hair kind of feel like it's bone flat iron. Honestly, it is. God. Y'all look at that. Look at that. That's so cute. This hair. I'm not gonna flex. I'm not gonna say it's bum. I've had better human hair and virgin hair and synthetic hair just all together. Well, we just gonna speak on the fact that it's synthetic hair in general. But I'm gonna quit calling it synthetic because it is. Let me get the package for y'all. But I keep calling this hair synthetic, and I don't want nobody to get offended. Like, I'm just thinking I'm better than somebody because I'm calling it synthetic. Shit, hell, I've been using synthetic all my life. Yes, I do. I'm a big fan of all hair that look good. Shit. Well, I'm just, here's the finished product, guys. Of course, you know, y'all see the little track right here, but that's all gonna be covered like this. The finished product, yes, my hair is actually, again, natural. Ain't had a perm on my hair in I don't know how long. This hair takes heat well so far. It's very soft when you flat iron it. And actually flat ironing it might be better, guys, because it actually makes the ends more lighter. As you can see, these ends versus this side, like this side versus this side. So, and then guys, I did a little, left some hair out on the side. I left some hair out on the side. Then, just in case I want to pull the shit back, not even in a ponytail, but I normally like to wear my hair like this when I wear it straight. And then we pretend like I'm doing my edges at least I got some edge wax in here. I don't too much use edge wax that much at all, really. I'm just about to fake manipulate some edges. They're not gonna be my best edges, but shit, just kind of to give y'all an idea on this hair. See, I know we ain't no reason, my bed, no. But I'm gonna go up a little close for y'all. See, I didn't really do too, like, I could have slicked all of this down, like, but shit, look at this. My hair is naturally curly, so I might just kind of flat iron all of this so it could just blend perfectly. I don't fucking know, but. And then I'd like to go to this part and just make sure that's down completely. And then. No, you ain't gonna make it, somebody. this camera all day trying to fix some shit. I ain't got no eyebrows, but y'all get it. Y'all get it so far. Within the 5 to 10 minutes of me actually observing the hair, really observing it, not just putting it in to get it done. I'm sorry, I know that's probably killing y'all, but I'm gonna leave that like that because I ain't gonna finish it on camera. I'm gonna just talk about it a little bit. So far, first impressions, I'm gonna do the video right now. First impressions, it flat irons good, it holds heat well. I got my Helen of Troy Professional Ceramic Series on 450, and it says on the thing it holds up heat up to 400. So I wouldn't go past 450, guys. I wouldn't, depending on how good y'all flat irons is or whatever curlers, wand curlers, whatever it is. I wouldn't go past 450. 450 will be the highest I would go, and being 400 would be probably what I would always use it on. But I don't know. But this hair so far, it has a nice shine to it. It doesn't look synthetic, and you know, room lighting, that oily, you know, that shiny look. But who knows when you go in the sun? I will actually record a video of me going out, whether it's whenever, and show you what natural lighting compared to room lighting looks like. So far, this hair is long as hell. 24 inches, 3 bundles is what I use in the color 1. This is the, I'm sorry, y'all. This is the Organique MasterMix Straight Weave 24 inch curling safe up to 400 in the color 1. And this is by, the hair is through Shake and Go. The brand is Shake and Go. Y'all, I like this hair so far. It's decent. Again, I only plan on keeping it in for maybe 2 weeks at the most. So yeah, I feel like anything beyond 2 weeks, you may need some really intensive care on this hair. Make sure you care for it properly like you would do any other synthetic hair. MasterMix is just different fibers that is in human hair, blended together to create the look of human hair and the feel of human hair. So, I mean, that's what MasterMix, I don't know if it has. And sometimes MasterMix can be with like human hair, I do believe. But from my understanding, that's all I remember it being. But yes, this hair, look, this is for now. This is for now, you know. This is me installed right off of my head. So as y'all can see, so far it's good. It's quick. It's easy. The wefts are thick. Honestly, they had different colors, different textures. I might try different textures and do the review as well. Actually, I am after this hair is up. But yeah, so far I like the hair. You know, comments, like, and subscribe, and tell me other hair brands that you guys think I should try. Even if I have tried them before, I will give my honest review on the past when I tried it. If I've tried the brand before that you guys ask of, and then, you know, the present tense on whenever that is. And yeah, so this is it, guys. I like it so far. Let me actually take it out. I don't know if y'all seen it. I'm not flat ironing my hair again. No, I'm not doing that. I gotta fix this. I don't like how, I don't know, it's just me, guys, but I don't like how this look. Like, I don't like when people do their edges and it be like a, I don't know. Sometimes, I don't know, I just like it to look natural. Just a sleek little, you know, it ain't fully fixed, but